Hey, it's Kimmy here, your hair coach. I'm here to help you strategically get the healthy, beautiful hair you deserve. Today, we're gonna do a simple and fun test to first find out how healthy your hair is right now. Grab a glass of water and a strand of your hair, and let's get started. First up is the stretch test. When you stretch damp hair, it shows how well the protein bonds are holding, indicating your hair's elasticity and overall health. Take your water and take your strand of hair and dip it into the water. Now you can hold it on each of the two ends and gently stretch it. If it stretches and springs back, congratulations, your hair is strong and balanced. But if it breaks or stretches too much, it means that your hair needs more care to build strength. And make note of what you see, and this will help you track your progress. And for reference, I'm gonna show you how a strand of dampened but damaged hair. This is bleached and colored hair. And if we twirl it around, and it will just snap. The second test that we're gonna do is called the float test or porosity check. This test works because healthy hair has a smooth surface naturally that repels water, while damaged hair absorbs it instead. So we're gonna grab our glass of water. I'm gonna first grab the initial piece of hair, that's the healthy piece, and I'm gonna dip it into the water. You could submerge it. You can try your best to even push it down, but it will not sink. I hope you can see that the hair is just floating on top. If it floats, it means your hair's outer layer is intact and it's doing a good job. It's doing its job. But if it sinks, that means that the hair is damaged, and that's why it's absorbing more of the water. So I just put in the damaged piece of hair, and as you can see, it's sitting right here now. I hope you can see. It just sank right to the bottom, and see the top healthy one is floating on top. And finally, we're gonna do our last test. Let's check your scalp. Your scalp's condition can reveal key issues affecting hair growth and your overall hair health. For example, buildup or dryness. You want to use your fingers and run it through your scalp slowly, as if you're washing your hair, but you're not. What you're focusing on, using your fingers to really feel, does it feel clean, or do you feel any spots of, is it smooth? Does it feel dry? Is there like buildup somewhere? Is there irritation? Is there itchiness? A scalp health is key to growing healthy hair. So this step is really super important. And jot down what you notice. We'll focus more on the scalp health in future videos, and everything that we've just done, all of the 3 tests, are gonna make a lot more sense. And that's it. These are simple tests to give you a snapshot of your hair's health. Did you learn something new about your hair today? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to follow up and improve your results, download my free Healthy Hair Guide 2025 Tracker Calendar. It's your step-by-step guide to achieving your healthiest hair yet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Kimmy Hair Coach for weekly video full of tips to help you crush your 2025 hair goals. See you in the next video.